I'm Jim Jubeck, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick, which is Qualcomm. They're a maker of chips that go into everything from Apple modems to cars to Internet of Things. So let's start by looking at a chart, because I think that will tell us everything we need to know. So here we're on October, we're down at 122. Here we're a month later, we're 186. What happened? Basically, Qualcomm has gone from a situation where everybody was worried about the fact that Apple has announced plans to move away from Qualcomm modems in its iPhones. Apple was the big Qualcomm customer, so Apple's probably going to come out with its own modem in 2023. So this is the worry that you see all in this part of the chart. But what people have started to do, and what Qualcomm did at its earnings report, is say, hey, we've got other growth engines going on, both in terms of, hey, we still sell a lot of chips to the people who make Android phones, but we're seeing huge growth in revenue from chips that go into the Internet of Things market, which looks like it's going to grow revenue to about $9 billion by fiscal 2024, and where revenue grew at 66% in the most recent quarter. And we're looking at auto chips, where the company is trying to break into that market. It's looking at that sector being about a $3.5 billion revenue source in 5 years. And they've been making some acquisitions to bulk up their software so they can get into the autonomous vehicle. So what you see here, if you look at the chart, is really a shift from a situation where everybody was worried about where the revenue was going to come from to a situation here where everybody thinks they know where it's going to come from. One of the things to be aware of is that I don't think this kind of rise is sustainable. We're talking about an all-time high, but through the end of the year anyway, I think this is a really good momentum trade. Thanks for watching. If you want more picks, you can go to my free site, jubeckpicks.com, where there are 3 portfolios full of stocks and whatnots. Or you can go to my subscription site, which is jubeckam.com, which has 6 portfolios instead of 3, and includes things like ETFs and some options and a lot of stocks. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next week.